Hi, I'm Holly, a mom and a grandmother who found myself broke at the age of 70, drowning in debt and working harder than ever just to survive. I had followed all the rules: work hard, be loyal, save what you can, but it still left me with nothing to retire on. Zero. And if you feel stuck right now, like no matter how hard you work, you're falling further behind, I want you to know you're not alone. You're not broken. The system really is. Let's be honest. You're showing up every day, giving your all, but the bills keep piling up. The cost of living goes up, it's skyrocketing. The paycheck doesn't, and jobs are vanishing. The stress grows, and you're told to just budget better. But budgeting isn't the problem. Income is. Here's what most people won't tell you. Most of us don't fail because we didn't try. We fail because the system wasn't built for us to win. It was built to keep us working, not thriving. Here's what I finally and how I broke free. For starters, I ditched the 40-hour hustle mentality. That mindset was chaining me to a system that no longer worked. Secondly, I learned about high-ticket affiliate marketing, specifically a model where I keep 100% profit from every sale. Yahoo! Thirdly, I use tools like BigVU to record my content, JustBank AI to manage leads, and my program with the blueprint to keep everything automated with a phenomenal funnel. Does all the work for me. It's a micro business right from my phone. No inventory, no shipping, just me, my message, and a simple system that works around the world. So here's your choice. Keep spinning your wheels, hoping things get better, or comment ready below, and I'll show you the exact strategy I followed. One that gave me peace and income at 70 and beyond. It's never too late, but nothing will cost you more